Glad to be with you guys again. And I sure do miss seeing you. I know you guys are getting so tall and growing so much. Here we are going to pretend like we're on the carpet again for just a regular lesson. So let's see what's going on with our calendar today. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. Let me look at our calendar just for a minute. We do have a meeting on Friday. If you'd like to join, there's a Microsoft Teams meeting where you can see each other on the computer. And I sent your moms and dads the link to join that. So you can do that Friday at 1 p.m. So if you want to see each other in person or on the screen at least, we can do that on Friday. I'm anxious to see about your Tuesday and your Thursday challenges that were on our calendar. So you can send me pictures by email or by remind if you want me to see those. All right, today our weather is sunny, and we have been in school 144 days. So let's look at our hundreds. We've got 10 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100, 4 tens for 40, 144 with 4 ones. And here's our 144 on our 200s chart. Okay, I can't get my random number generator to work for you guys, but we're going to be working on 10, a whole group of 10 in our 10 frames, and some more. So today we're going to do 10 and 9 more, and we're going to see what that looks like as an equation. So we've got 10 already. Let's do 9 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's count this whole group of 10, and then we'll count up 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 10 and some more. We've got 9. 10 and 9 makes 19. So here's our 110, and here's our 9 other ones to make 19. 10 plus 9 equals 19. Okay, guys, here are some more problems that we've done already that are kind of like what we just did with 10 on the 10 frames and some more. 10 plus 9 is 19. These problems that we did earlier are kind of like that, and I just wanted to show you the connection. So we had 10 Capri Suns in a package. Sorry, we had 10 Capri Suns in a box, and we had some ones to make 18. So one pack of 10, so 10, and 8 single pouches make 18. 10 plus 8 is 18, or 8 plus 10 is 18 if you wanted to do the related fact. This one is also similar. We had 10 crayons in a box and some single crayons. One pack of 10 and 4 more make 14. 10 plus 4 is 14, or 4 plus 10 equals 14 for the related fact. We're going to do another one similar to that with a fact family. So we're going to do 10 and 3 more to make our fact family. So here's 10. Instead of doing 10 separate kiwi, I'm just going to do a 10 here. And then 10, and we have 3 more right here. So 10 and 3 makes how many? Let's count up. 10, 11, 12, 13. So 10 plus 3 equals 13. So we have 13 for our total. That's how many are in our big box. So we could actually do a 1 and a 3 here if we wanted to. 10 and 3 makes 13 with a 1 and a 3, just like that. Or we could do the related fact and do 3 plus 10 equals 13. Now, silly Miss Etheridge did this wrong right here. So let's see. All right. Now, when we do our subtraction sentences, we start with our biggest number to subtract. So our total is 13. So we're going to start with 13 on our subtraction sentence. So here's 13. Okay, now let's take one part away. So one part is 10. So 13 minus 10 is how many? 13 minus 10. If we take one part away, let me see. I was covering it up with my hand, but you can't see that. If we take one part away, 13 minus 10, we have this other part left. So we have 3 left. 13 minus 10 equals 3. And then if we take the other part away, we have 13 and take the other part away. 13 minus 3, if we take this part away, how many do we have left? Our other part is 10. So 13 minus 3 equals 10. So let's look at all of our sentences, number sentences, or equations in our fact family, and they should have all of these same numbers in the fact family. So we should have 10, 3, and 13. We should do a 13 right here because that's our total. They should all have 10, 3, and 13 for our equation. So 10 plus 3 is 13. Here's our total right here. 3 plus 10 is 13. 13 minus 10 equals 3, this other part. If you take this part away, then you have the other part left. 13 minus 3 equals 10. All right. Now we are going to do some word families, some sound word families. So our vowel sound is in these words. So right now we're going to do ed. Ed, bed. Ed, red. Ed, bled. Ed, led. Ed, fed. Ed, wed. Now we're going to do some et words. Et, wet. Et, fret. Et, jet. Et, yet. Et, bet. Et, set. Et, pet. Et, get. Now let's do some n words. En, hen. En, man. In, then. En, pen. En, when. En, ten. And den. Now let's do some L words. L, bell. L, cell. L, fell. L, well. L, yell. L, tell. Oh, and these are over here. L, shell. Smell, smell. Okay. We're going to make some words with the long vowel U sound. And we're going to use the vowel consonant E to make that pattern. So vowel is U, a consonant, and then E makes the vowel say its name. So our first word that we're going to do, we're going to do just a few of these. Fume. Okay, so let's see. Fume. So let's see, where is it? Here it is. And this makes the word fume. I'm going to try to make it so that I can take, so I can take the whole word over here so we can read them at the end. So here's fume. There, that worked. Okay. Now we are going to use the vowel U, consonant E word to make the word muse. Use. Muse. Okay. Let's do tune, t, u, t, un, t, un, tune. We'll see that word later in our book that we're going to read. Uh-oh. Somehow I brought the L with me. Here's tune. Okay. 2 more words that we're going to make. Our next word is dude. We're going to use the vowel consonant E word to make, we're going to use the vowel consonant E pattern to make a word with a long U sound. So let's do dude. D, ood. Here's the word dude. Dude. A cool dude. All right. And the last word we're going to make with the vowel consonant E long U sound is rule. Rule. So, let me find it. Oh, what in the world is my R missing? Oh, but it's over there. Sorry about that. Ool. Rule. Ool. Rule. All right, let's go through and read all of our words that we've made so far with the vowel consonant E long U sound. Fume, muse, tune, dude, and rule. Okay, we're going to talk about the difference between the short vowel U and the long vowel U sound. So, short vowel U has the sound, like umbrella, under, bus, rug. And the long vowel U sound, are some of those words that we just made with the vowel consonant E sound. There's a couple other ways to make that long U sound. Unicorn, uniform, ruler, and tube. Here's our vowel consonant E and tube. Here's our little poem. Use my name, 2 sounds I use. Short U and cub, long U and fuse. And you can hear the difference between cub and fuse. Fuse has the vowel consonant E sound where U says its name. Fuse, you can hear the U sound. U makes 2 sounds, U makes 2 sounds, U and U and unicorn, up, U and U and That's a little song that I like to help me remember. Now, I want you to listen for the long U sound at the beginning of the word, and when you hear it, I want you to make that sound. Use, U. Equal, no. Infant, no. Elephant, no. Under, no. United, U. Overhead, no. Unite, U. Apple, no. Other, no. Uniform, U. Utensil, U. Now, I have this on your Reading A to Z for the week, and it's called No More Sad Tunes, and it has that vowel consonant E. Now, sometimes when I say the word ooh, it sounds kind of, the long U sound kind of comes out of my mouth sounding more like an ooh. So no, but I may not be saying it exactly right. Reading A to Z assignment for this week, and it's called No More Sad Tunes. And here's our vowel consonant E for the U sound, tunes. No more sad tunes. Luke was a dude. He liked to sing sad tunes. Rube was a nice gal. She liked to play her flute. Rube played sad tunes on her flute. Luke sang as she played. So are you hearing some U words? Like rube and tunes and flute. All those have the vowel consonant E to make the long U sound. June was a fun gal. She ate ice cubes with red hot peppers. June did not like sad tunes. June was not rude, but she made lots of rules. No more sad tunes, she said. No sad tunes is the rule. When you play and sing a sad tune, I want to run and hide in a tube. Sad tunes make me feel like an old prune, she said. What will we do if we cannot play and sing sad tunes? Asked Luke. Sad tunes are not what we like. Or sad tunes are what we like. They like sad tunes, but she does not. We can do happy things, said June. We will take a huge tube down a river. We can ride mules, but we just want to sing and play the flute. We do not like your rule, said Rube. Sing and play happy tunes, said June. Just do not play sad tunes. You can sing and play jazz. We can play happy tunes on the jukebox, too. Can we use a drum to make tunes? Asked Luke. Yes, you can use drums for happy tunes, said June. So Luke sang and played the drum. Rube played the flute. June played tunes on the jukebox. They all played happy tunes and they had a fine time. Let's go back and talk about what happened at the beginning, middle, and end of the story. At the beginning, let's turn all the way back. So at the very beginning, we saw that we had some characters, Luke and Rube, and they really liked to play on their flute and sing, right? And they decided they liked to play sad tunes. And then in the middle of the story, we found another character, and her name was June, and she liked to have fun. She did not like the sad tunes that Luke and Rube were playing, right? So they went and they had their little problem and solution. They said they were going that she did not like the sad tunes. And so why couldn't they play happy tunes or they could do some other fun things? So she suggested that they did the jukebox and that they could play happy tunes on the drums. And that worked out for them in the end. They all had a fine time. So let's look at one last page. We'll look at this last one right here that we just read. And we're going to highlight some words that have the long U sound like we've been talking about. So we're looking for that vowel consonant E pattern like this one. Luke, the U consonant E, the vowel consonant E pattern to make the long U sound. Do you see any more? Like rube and flute. Here's another name, June, tunes. And the first part of jukebox has the long U sound, juke. And then here's tunes with an S. All right. A, all, am, and, as, at, be, boy, but, can, did, do, down, for, girl, go, had, has, have, he, her, him, his, I, in, is, it, little, look, not, of, on, other, out, said, see, she, so, some, that, the, then, there, they, to, up, was, we, were, what, when, with, you,